We did a lot of research on how to build a greenhouse. There's a lot of different kinds of greenhouses, from glass to plexiglass to polycarbonate, and the most economical, polyethylene. We decided on the latter. The question was how we were going to put it together. Were we going to put it together with PVC or metal? This example is a greenhouse built that's 12 feet wide and 32 feet long. We used a similar layout for our greenhouse, which is 12 feet wide and 40 feet long. Our ground poles don't go far enough into the ground to really anchor this structure as securely as we want. This pipe bending jig is used to create the ribs or the hoops for the greenhouse. It's pretty easy until you get down to the very end of the bend. At that point, you need to put on a cheater bar to give you enough leverage to finish the bend. Irene's standing at one end of the greenhouse. Now in the middle, she's going to point out the two ground posts that have to be cemented in place. There's two different heights of ground posts for the Johnny's design. The problem for us is that all of those posts are expected to be 3 feet into the ground. Well, we can't go that deep, so we have to do something different. Now Johnny's shows a really nice greenhouse that has roll-up sides. Well, we have a roll-up door. This plastic came from my mother. It's been repurposed from a greenhouse to make a door. Irene rolls it up and attaches it with a clamp. Hardware to assemble a greenhouse can be pretty expensive, but Johnny's has a nice selection of various parts to connect a greenhouse. Having an automatic window opener really helps in controlling the temperature in the greenhouse in the summertime. This is how we actually put our greenhouse together. We use the hangers just like this. We use clamps like this to attach the purlins and the bows together. We employed the wiggle wire to hold our plastic down. Looking at the inside of the greenhouse, we have a ridge pole that goes the full 40 feet of the greenhouse. It's attached at each bow with one of those hangers. We also have side purlins. The east side is complete, the west side is about halfway done.